Hello everybody, this is JoshTank01. I'm back here with some more HTML programming. And today I will be showing you how to put in hyperlinks to your web page. You can use hyperlinks to link to websites out on the internet or other pages inside your web page that you've constructed. You can even add hyperlinks to pictures and other sorts of cool stuff. So the first thing I'm going to show you is a very basic hyperlink. And this tag is another self-closing tag, which means it closes on itself. As you can see, we're using our web page that we built the last time. We have our image still in there. I removed the paragraph, no point in having it there, and changed our heading a little bit just to make it, more relevant. So the first thing we're going to do is add the ahref tag. And what this does is it tells the web page that this is a hyperlink, or it tells your browser that this is a hyperlink. And then we're going to add in a website. We'll start with a website, and then we'll move on to another page that we've constructed. So I just am going to use YouTube because it's simple. And then we're going to add some text that will actually be the link. So we will add some text that is the link and close it. This text will show up on the page. You will actually see this. This is what you will click. So this is actually what will appear on your page. And I forgot right there to add in one of those. If you forget those, it won't load on the page. You won't be able to see it. So, like I said in my last couple videos, make sure you go through and double check all your work. So we're going to save and refresh, and boom, we have a hyperlink. And if you click it, it will take you to YouTube. So we'll come back, and there you go. You have a hyperlink. Now I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink to a page that you've built. So to do that, we need our folder that we have all of our stuff in, specifically the picture and this main web page. So we will go to that folder. If you can give me just 1 second, here we go. And we will add a new text document. And we'll call this hyperlinking. That'll be the name of the page. We'll open this up. We'll come over here. We're going to cheat a little bit. And we are going to take all this and copy this over. And we'll file, save as. Give it just 1 second. Hyperlinking.html. And we'll make sure that we get this in the same folder. So we'll go back, and here we go, and we'll save. Now we have a hyperlinking. Now we can come back and get rid of this. Yes. And we'll open this up, and we have another web page. So now that we're here, we'll come back to here. This is our page, and we're going to add in another little division, just so that this stuff isn't all cluttered. And it sort of there we go. Just so that it's on its own little deal. So now we're going to add in another hyperlink, and it's going to be to the page that we just built. So we'll use ahref, and because we named this page hyperlinking, we will call this hyperlink hyperlinking.html. And this tells the browser that this is linking to another HTML document inside the folder. And we will, of course, finish the tag. You want to do this in all, when you're doing the hyperlinking and naming of pages, you want to do it in lowercase. It just makes life easier. You also want to keep the name of the pages as small as possible and with no spaces. Just because it makes life so much easier. There won't be random ass errors because you added a space someplace. So make sure that you use lowercase, you keep your page name simple, and you don't add in any symbols. That just makes life difficult on you. Now we're going to finish this tag. Whoops. And we will save, refresh. Whoops. I probably made a fat finger. And I did. If you see there, I forgot the equals. That just goes to show you got to double check. And if it's not working, so hyperlinking. Boom. Now we have another page. So now we're going to come back over here. And you're probably noticing that that just looks stupid. You don't like that. Okay. Well, we can go back and add in what's known as a page break. Because as far as the browser is concerned, this is all one line. Just because it looks like this in the code doesn't mean it's actually going to appear out here. So a page break is another very simple tag. Boom. And that is a page break. And it does that. And you can add in as many page breaks as you like. And I have this copied and pasted. And the more that you add in, the further down it will go. Now, there is an easier way to do this, but for right now, we're just going to do it like that. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to use an image in a hyperlink. So, basically what we'll do is we'll do this. We're going to take this, we're going to copy and paste this here, inside that. Save, refresh, and that's already in there, so that looks kind of strange. So we're going to go back, and we're going to add in another page break. Here. Just so that it doesn't look so strange. There we go. And there you go. It's hyperlinked. Now, on this web page, you want to go back into the code and add another back so that you can link to your home page. And you do that the same way as the hyperlinking one, except you will use whatever the name of the first page is. So if I was on this page, I would name this Home, and that would make the hyperlink. And you can do all sorts of cool stuff with hyperlinking. You can link images to videos or Facebook pages or blogs or whatever you want to do. Basically, the sky is the limit with hyperlinking. You can make anything into a hyperlink. You can make GIFs into hyperlinks. You can make pictures into hyperlinks. You can even hide hyperlinks. And I'll show you how to do that when we get into tables and other assorted coolness. But for right now, this is just your very basic hyperlinking. So this has been Josh Tank 01. I hope you learned a lot today. I hope you go out and have a good time with some HTML. I'll catch you next time. Thank you for watching.